Stop making present continuous mistakes in English. Tip third is the one everyone gets wrong. Let's see. Tip number 1. Use am is are plus verb ing. Present continuous always needs am is are. Example. I am learning. હું શીખી રહી છું. Present continuous am is are વિના અધૂરું છે. Next tip. For right now actions. Use it for actions happening at this moment. Example. She is talking. એ વાતો કરી રહી છે. હમણાં જ આ જ ક્ષણે થાય છે. તે present continuous. Tip number 3. Add not correctly. Negative form. Am is are plus not plus verb ing. Example. They are not coming. તેઓ આવી રહ્યા નથી. ઘણાને અહીંયા ભૂલ થાય છે. પણ યાદ રાખો, not હંમેશા am is are પછી જ આવે. Now last one. Interrogative. Question માટે. Am is are plus subject plus verb ing. Example. Are you going? શું તમે જઈ રહ્યા છો? Yes no question પણ કહેવાય. Follow for more English Gujarati tips.